Hello children, this class is grade 4, log 14 and S4. Topic is reducing air pollution in Taj Mahal. Oh, it's wonder, isn't it? So here, even air pollution is affecting not only the earth, not only the global, means not only the humans, not only the trees, but it is affecting to the historical monument also. That is a great Taj Mahal. It is the 7 wonders of the world, isn't it? So, what happened? Already everyone know about the Taj Mahal, isn't it? It is built with a white marble stone. But now at present situation, if you go and see, it has turned to yellow color. Why? Due to the air pollution. So, here, this air pollution was turning the historic monument Taj Mahal to yellow color. So, how to reduce the air pollution in this place, what measures and what suggestions we are going to take, and what the Supreme Court has ordered, what suggestions it has given, and what things it has ordered to the people staying around the Taj Mahal in that area. Now you are going to see that one. Please open page number 91 from your reader. Right? I am reading for you. Just look into your books. Right, children? So here, the Supreme Court ordered a number of actions to reduce the air pollution around it. It ordered all factories around the Taj Mahal to use natural gas instead of coal or shift to place away from the Taj Mahal. Natural gas causes much lesser air pollution than coal. So here when we see what the Supreme Court has ordered, it has taken much more actions around. Factories are built, more factories are there around the Taj Mahal. So they said to shift the factories from the Taj Mahal. And not only that, in the factories they will use the coal. Instead of coal, they have to use a natural gas and to shift the factories from that place, isn't it? So that the pollution will be very less in that place. Next one, the court also ordered that only battery-powered automobiles could come near the Taj Mahal. Yes, the pilgrimages, those who want to see the Taj Mahal and all, they should use the automobiles not with the diesel and the petrol, but it is with the battery-powered vehicles, automobiles only should come near the should move near the Taj Mahal so that the pollution will not be there. And one more new road is also built here. They have given a new road was also built so that the traffic going to other cities would not pass near the Taj Mahal. So near the instead of the near Taj Mahal, they have built another road so that the people can move on that road so that the pollution will be very less. So if they take all these steps, these actions will help to stop the Taj Mahal turning to yellow color. Again, it will come back to its original color if they will obey all these rules and regulations correctly and perfectly. Right. So, in recent times, air pollution from more traffic and factories is threatening the beauty of the Taj Mahal. So, what happened? These now recent times, especially in these times, the pollution has become more and it is threatening not only for the trees, for the human beings and also for the historical monuments also. Because already you have learned acid rain will fall due to this pollution, isn't it? So that to avoid all this, the Supreme Court has declared and it has given some rules and regulations, suggestions to follow and to save the 7 wonders of the world, the great Taj Mahal. Right, children? Now we will go with workbook. Children, turn to open your workbook, page number 33. S4, reduce air pollution. Read out this article, what they have given for you. Happened in December 24, 1996. Read out this one and write the causes around the Taj Mahal. What causes are there? If you read only, you will come to know. Everything teachers are telling, it has become a spoon feeding for you. That I don't want. Just you read out each and every line and write the causes, what it has happened around the Taj Mahal. That cause only you have to write. And when the cause is there, cause means due to the pollution, how the pollution has occurred, with what the pollution has occurred, that is the cause. And with this cause, what effect it has become to the Taj Mahal, that you have to write. It is very easy. And when effect is there, reducing is also will be there. So what we have to reduce from this Taj Mahal, around the Taj Mahal, that also you have to write. It is very easy for you. When you read out this, everything you will get it. Now we will go with second one. Summarize the measures ordered by the Supreme Court to reduce air pollution. What measures, what rules, what suggestions the Supreme Court has given to protect the Taj Mahal? Just you read out this, and or you can read the reader also. In that one also you will get the answer. Because I am not telling the answer, it is very easy. You can watch the video, you read out and write the answers in a point wise. 1, 2, 3 lines are there. You write 3 points. Right? Now we will go with the reader. From reader, page number 92. Here they have given how do trees help in reducing air pollution. Already it is over in the previous lesson. Now we will go with the 7th one. What measures did the Supreme Court of India order to reduce air pollution around the Taj Mahal? So what measures, what suggestions it has taken? You read out the reader here. You will get it. You read out from here to here. The Supreme Court, what it has taken, the measures that you will get, that answer you have to write. Right? Now we will go with the 8th one. The pollution levels in Beijing, the capital of China, during the Olympic Games were being carefully monitored. It was felt that the marathon race that requires athletes to run 42 kilometers could be affected by air pollution. Why do you think the marathon race could be affected? So, pollution levels are more. So, what it has been affected? Marathon race has been affected. Why? So that answer, it is a logical answer. You think and write. It is very easy. If you think, you will get the answer. Thank you, children.